Look, I have a chiota. I'll have this in an upcoming video, and we just did how to start your sweet potato plant, so go over and watch that video. But right now in this video, we're going to start snapdragon seeds. Now for the best start, you're going to start your snapdragon seeds 8 to 12 weeks before your last frost date. I have this little tray here. Snapdragons need light to germinate, so you will not be covering their seed. They like it cool, 65 degrees. They do like a cold stratification, so I'll simply sprinkle these seeds on the top, mist them in with a water mister, and then put them in the fridge for a week to 10 days. That's how they like it best, and you'll get the best germination. Isn't that cool? We have black prince and oriental lanterns. I have 2 trays here for those. Let's get going. These are very tiny seeds, so sprinkle them lightly, and then we're gonna mist them in. So mist them in nice and good, and then we're covering them with saran wrap to keep the moisture in when they go in the refrigerator for 7-10 days before we pull them out. Be sure you label them good, but there we go. Into the refrigerator they go for their cold stratification. Tell me what's your favorite variety of snapdragons. What's your favorite color?